Adding a video to your Jimdo website is straightforward and enhances your site by providing engaging content. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Jimdo account. Access your Jimdo account and select the website you want to edit. Navigate to the page. Go to the page where you want to add the video. Add a new video element. Click the plus add element button or hover over an existing section to find the add option. Choose the video element from the list of content blocks. Embed your video. Jimdo supports videos from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or directly hosted files. If embedding from YouTube or Vimeo, paste the URL or embed code into the provided field. If uploading a file, select the file from your computer to upload it. Customize video settings. Adjust settings such as autoplay, loop, or mute based on your preferences. Resize and position the video within your layout. Preview and save. Preview the page to ensure the video displays correctly. Click Save or Publish to make it live.